How to change table design in Microsoft Word. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily change the table design in your Microsoft Word document. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to change the table design in Microsoft Word, first of all you have to double click here and here you will see table design option. Click on this scroll drop down option and here you can see all the designs. On the first row you can see plain tables. You can select any table if you want to a plain table from here. For example, I select this table and you can see this is the plain table. But if you want to a grid table, you have to select the second option. From here you can select any table that you want. For example, I select this table and here you can see this is grid table and you can select any color according to your choice that you want. But if you want to list table, just you have to click on third portion and here you will see different list options for the table and you can select any table that you want. And you can see I have selected this table and here you will see all the different options for the table. So guys, in this way you can change the design or style of table in Microsoft Word very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.